What is going on, guys? This is Jennifer, and today I'm going to take you through a vegan Mound Bites recipe. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and click the bell to get notified for future videos. And you can screenshot this recipe right here. The ingredients we're going to be using are unsweetened coconut flakes, dairy-free dark chocolate chips, agave nectar, and coconut oil. First, we're gonna grab a little bowl and we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then we're gonna microwave for 30 seconds. Next, we can grab a bowl and we're gonna add 1.5 cups of shredded coconut. And we're gonna add the melted coconut oil. Next, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of agave nectar. And now we mix. Next, we're going to pour the coconut mix into a pan. I'm using plastic wrap to be mess free. Now I'm going to pat down the coconut until it's nice and firm. Then we're going to freeze this for 30 minutes. Once the coconut's frozen, we're going to take 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and we're going to microwave this for 60 seconds. Once it's melted, we're going to mix it together. And we're going to set it aside and pull out our coconut. Now we're going to cut the coconut into bite-sized pieces. Now I'm going to grab a plate and wrap it with plastic wrap. And we're going to dip each of the coconuts in the chocolate. And if you want to, you can actually dip the whole coconut bite in the chocolate. Oops. But I just wanted to do half of it for some reason. This way's a little messier, but they're still good. And also you could use a fork and a spoon to do this, but clearly I wanted to have fun. Once they're dipped in chocolate, I'm just gonna add a few extra coconut shreds on top. And now we're gonna freeze again for 30 minutes. And here's the final product. If you don't eat all of these in one serving like I did, you can store this in a freezer-safe Tupperware and store them in the freezer. But I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Until next time, peace.